My name is Edel Doherty. I am a lecturer here in the University of Galway in the School of Engineering, and I teach on the Construct Innovate course that covers everything from micro-credentials right up to an MSc. RPL is a really nice route for our people, so when they come into the course they may have a lot of experience from industry and they just may not have a little qualification that we require. So RPL is a way for them to be able to show that they have the experience and the skills to be able to do the course, and then when they get accepted in, they do the course the same as everyone else and come out with qualifications at the end. The RPL students that we get, they bring a wealth of information for all of our other students as well. So they come with different experiences, different backgrounds, they could be different age cohorts, and when they all come together, it's a really nice learning community where they all have different things to bring to the table. RPL learners perform really well here. Once they start the course, you notice in the first week or two that they might be a little bit more aware that maybe they don't have the same qualifications as others, but after a week or two, you see no difference in them. They become flourishing students throughout the rest of the course, and by the end, you won't actually be able to know who was RPL and who wasn't, because everyone is at the same course. For students that come in through the RPL route, the university has a few systems in place to kind of help them through that journey. So it's not the most complicated thing, but it can seem very daunting to someone that they think, oh, I'm going to have to prove my ability to do things. But in reality, it might be just something like their CV, some details on work experience. They might have a portfolio of different maybe courses they've done in the past or things they would have learned along the way. And that's brought through to a team in the university, and they help them kind of tick all the boxes to make sure that they're suitable to do the course and that it's the right course for them. I think for anyone that wants to go through the RPL route, the best thing is to contact the university or contact the lecturers in the programme and just start that conversation, because oftentimes it's that starting part that's the hardest, and after that it'll all just flow naturally with us in the college. For companies that are looking to upskill their employees, courses like this in the RPL route are very helpful, because you may have people that work for you that will really thrive in this course and would learn a lot from it and bring a lot back to the company. But RPL is a way for them to maybe come in if they don't have the necessary qualifications. Or in the case where they've maybe done some qualifications or done some training before, they might be able to use RPL to prove that they've done certain parts of the course. And in that case then they can skip those elements when they come to us here, so it makes their course a little bit shorter. It really helps people that come through that route, because they get to do courses and qualifications that they may not have been able to do otherwise. But it's also really helpful for us here in the university, because we get to teach a broader variety of people from different backgrounds, different experiences. So it really enhances the whole culture here in the university, and then they can bring that forward when they go into industry as well.